guys, Jasmine here. I get a lot of the same questions about doTERRA's loyalty program, so I thought I would put them all together in one easy, handy video. Ready? Got them all written down right here. All right, so the first question that I get is kind of a twofer. It is, what does LRP stand for? You see that acronym in Facebook posts, emails, doTERRA literature, all over the place. So LRP stands for Loyalty Rewards Program. That is doTERRA's, think of it like your frequent flyer program, your punch card, the star rewards that you get in your Starbucks app. You get points, rewards, for purchases that you were going to make anyway. So rewards mean free stuff. Remember that. Rewards are free things. Okay. Do I have to do LRP in order to buy doTERRA? That is a really great question. I get that a lot. And the answer is no. You don't have to do loyalty rewards to buy doTERRA. It is the best way for you to buy your oils and your supplements and things like that, because you're going to get money back. And every single product is assigned a point value, and you will get back in points, product credits, doTERRA dollars, whatever you want to call it, based on how long you've been doing the program. So most people start off at getting 10% back as points plus their shipping, always, like all of the shipping. So if you have an emergency and you need to do the $25 overnight shipping, you're going to get 25 points back plus whatever you purchased. So that means if you spend $100, you're getting $10 back that you can spend on other products. And then every quarter that you reach that 50 threshold, you will jump 5%. So the next quarter it's 15, then 20, then 25 until you reach 30%. And so once you get to 30%, it's great because that means when you spend $100, you're getting $30 back. Like, that's phenomenal. So it's really to your benefit. And then once you're at 30%, you will stay there forever unless you cancel. So that leads us to the other FAQ is this a contract, and can I cancel whenever I want? It is not a contract. You can cancel whenever you want. All you have to do is call customer service. Just make sure you use your points before you cancel, because once you cancel, it's like they never existed. Is this an auto ship? Yes, it is an auto ship, but it's not some super scary auto ship. What I love about this is you're in control. I always talk about, way back when you signed up for a company and you did their auto ship and you got 50 bottles of laundry soap every single month, whether you wanted it or not. It's not like that with doTERRA. You decide what day you want your auto ship to come, and you can change the day whenever you want, and you can decide what you want. Yes, you get reminders, but it is technology, and technology is not foolproof. So doTERRA, if you allow them to, will give you a text message reminder 72 hours before your shipment. You'll also get an email reminder 72 hours before your shipment. But again, technology isn't foolproof. So we're always tied to our phones. So I recommend, and I do this myself, is to put a reminder in your phone a few days before your chosen date. That way you can have the chance to go back into your cart and edit what you want or don't want. Because here's the thing, at midnight or 12:01 of the day your auto ship is scheduled to go, so 12:01 Mountain Standard Time. So no matter where you are in the world, everything is based with doTERRA for Mountain Standard Time in the US. So at 12:01 on that date, so say it was the 12th that you chose, your products that are in your cart are going to be picked by a machine and processed and they're getting ready to be shipped out to you. So if you have 50 bottles of lemon in your shopping cart from last month and you didn't change it for this month and it comes, Don't blame me, I've warned you, okay? And I gave you some tools to help remind you. And if you think you might forget, let me know your date and I will put it in my calendar to send you an email on that date to remind you about your LRP order, okay? Do my points expire? Yes, your points expire 12 months after you've earned them. Okay, so let's see. What's another question? Oh, do I have to buy a certain amount? That's a yes and a no answer. Okay, so in order to earn points, you need to spend at least 50 PV. PV, remember, is the product value. So 50 PV is usually equal to about $50, but it depends on what you're getting. So if you spend 50 PV or more on your loyalty order, then you will get points back. If you spend less than that, you will keep the points you've earned and you just won't earn any new ones. So you can just buy, like say it's a short month for you money-wise, but you've amassed, 100, 200 points. You don't want to lose those. So you can just buy a lip balm or a deodorant or a toothpaste or a sanitizing mist, something that you would use anyway. And that way you'll just preserve the points that you have. You just won't earn any points. The short answer is pretty much everything. The only things you can't purchase with your loyalty points are limited time only offers. If it's the sample sizes of the toothpaste or the deep blue rub, you can't use points on that. If you're building a business, you can't use points to buy business building products. If you are getting like the DIY accessories or the box for your oils, you can't use points on that. So, but other than that, the world is your oyster. Which leads me to another frequently asked question, which is, does it cost me any money to redeem my points? And the answer is yes, but it's so nominal. For $3, you can redeem however many points you want. So for that $3, you can redeem 5 points, you can redeem 500 points. And it's the same $3 no matter what. Now you won't earn any points on your free items because that just makes sense. But you will earn points on your shipping and whatever else is in your cart that month. Oh, this is my favorite. What's the catch? I get that so often because it's such a great deal and people are like, well, what is the catch? There is no catch. It's the loyalty rewards program. And if you're loyal to doTERRA and you're getting your products, then doTERRA will be loyal to you and reward you with free stuff. And what's really great is if you do a 125 PV order before the 15th of each month, you will get a free pre-selected product every single month. And a couple times a year, there's a 200 PV, which means you can get, it's usually a really banging product that you get for free. So recently it's been Immortelle for some countries, which is 70-ish PV. So that's not a bad deal. And the things that you run out to Target for, you can buy from doTERRA. Your laundry soap, your body wash, your face cleanser, your toothpaste, your deodorant, your hand sanitizer, your house cleaner, did I say laundry soap? Your laundry soap. You can get all the spa products, all the things that you would normally rush out for will come to your door, which is great, and you get paid for it. And I have people who, myself included, who earn hundreds of points every single year, and they're redeeming hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of free stuff. So those are some of the frequently asked questions for the doTERRA Loyalty Rewards Program, otherwise known as LRP. So I hope that answered some of your questions, and again, whatever questions you have, just bring them on. If you don't know how to set up your loyalty order, then let me help you with it. Let me help you figure out what you and your family want and need. And it really is the best way to buy doTERRA because you're getting the oils anyway. You're getting, you might be doing the protein shakes or any of those things, and you're doing it anyway, so you might as well get paid for it. All right, have a great, great day. And again, shoot me any questions that you have or ask the person who invited you to watch this video.